Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system with proprietary settings and proprietary strategies. What's so important to know when you're looking at Dow? You insert the settings and apply the strategies. And as I worked with my students on Monday, we identified this level since Monday. Price been struggling at this level for the last 14 hours. Price is stuck. This is brutal retail chop on Dow futures. You are witnessing in front of you extremely important moment. No matter what chart you trade, you're seeing clearly. This is brutal, nasty place. This is the end of the minor trend that identifies weakness. This is the most important level in your trading, as you will witness next on multiple instruments. On oil, as I will be bringing oil news tomorrow, every single time you witness weakness and price stuck at this level, it's a problem. Intelligent trader also knows hours and days in advance. This level is out, this level to follow. For option traders, this is a dream. As I spoke yesterday with one of phenomenal options graduates who continue using these levels on stocks, on commodities, on futures. So please witness how powerful this is. Please witness how predictive this is also on institutional key chart daily. This is micro chart that we identified in advance where buyers step in from. Unfortunately, buyers are weak on Dow. This is key level to the downside that will define markets for weeks and months to come. If institutions will continue defending this level, we need to see the power. We're not seeing the power, we're seeing the weakness. And if I expand to weekly chart, price showing you clearly. Sellers were weak in 2023. Price spelled out despite catastrophic global events, phenomenal rally. As intelligent trader, you buying the bottom with institutions, knowing months in advance where the problem will be. This is the end of the minor trend on institutional chart. This is the end of the minor trend on trader who uses this chart as investment vehicle. For day trader, this is critical key chart, as again playing out in front of you on micro charts. So if you're looking at the power of this and you remember, this is a chart present in the trading room for years that spelled out institutional rally despite catastrophic global events. This is a key level down that will identify institutional crash or institutional rally. This level that was critical key resistance for 9 months in 2024, now acting as critical key support. This level remains intact. Investor can sleep well at night. This level is out, you see institutional crash. That's it, and that's down now in brutal chop. I always encourage my traders to learn and master on Dow, as Dow giving you triple number of trades. Every Monday I devote to my students. Yesterday Dow within an hour had 15 trades. S&P had 3. Once you master the system, you move to S&P. S&P drastically slower and drastically more sluggish. Why? Because it has drastically more volume and reflects US stock market. To the upside, this will be war zone. Dow already reached this level, S&P has not. Crawl is on. Move on S&P drastically slower. On S&P, to remind you, extremely important global events, 2023, absolutely catastrophic events, high inflation, high rate increase, start of Middle East crisis, bullish rally starts at 4,000 level, continues at 4,400, picking up this steam at 4,550. Right now S&P no longer at 4,000 level. S&P reached proprietary Alpha Fibonacci 6100 level. This is where market is stuck more than 2,000 points later, despite catastrophic global events. Again, bullish rally on S&P, 2,000 points. Chart present in front of you for years, all identified months in advance. So as S&P remains stuck right now in pain and crawl and chop, let's go to other instruments. Let's do annual review with Alpha Fibonacci system. Tomorrow, oil news will be present in the trading room. For many years, I spelled out, this is institutional buy point. For many years, I spelled out, despite Abu Dhabi backing Putin war, oil is weak. Remember the bold pink line that's playing out on Dow now? Do you? Do you remember what's going to be next on S&P? Again, level on Dow, on every single chart, weakness, prices stuck in correction, identical level on oil, institutional chart, where oil collapsed from. Again and again remains a problem. Again and again, despite bearish news on oil, so many times playing out live, I remained firm. 65, 66 level, buy point, not sell point. And I remain firm. 83 zone will be war zone, where sellers will step in again. Rules are met, take a trade. So if you understand the power of this and simplicity, and you understand that Alpha Fibonacci system based on pure price, as we discussed with my students in class, power of buying Amazon at the bottom, if day trading is not your cup of tea. Critical key Alpha Fibonacci buy point, you're looking at the charts once a week. Amazon no longer at 90 level. Amazon reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone at 2023. More than double in returns if you're trading stocks with Alpha Fibonacci system. NVDA. NVDA spelled out where bottom is many months in advance. You understand and obey the rules, and you can trade this on any platform you choose. TradeStation, TradingView, Interactive Brokers, Fidelity, platforms I never heard of, students all over the world trading stocks, of course. NVIDIA skyrocketed from 12 until bold pink line looks familiar. What playing out on Dow this morning? And what do we know far in advance to follow? NVIDIA continues struggling at this level immensely. And if I bring to your attention Euro, one of my favorite charts of all times, war in Ukraine, Europe in shock. Ultimate buy point on Euro. You can trade MT4, MT5? Absolutely. Euro at 95 cents. Surreal. Guess what? Euro selling off and reminding you, you know where to short from. You enjoying spectacular sell-off. For us Americans, the events on Euro and Pound are a gift. Cheaper and cheaper to travel to Europe. 1006 lifeline on Euro. This level is out, Euro in free fall until 95 cents. What Euro will do to the upside until 104 is crucial. As again, students trading this, MT4, MT5, absolutely. Dow, sell-off is on from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone continues. We're discussing all of this with students in classes in detail. Bullish rally on pound started when pound reached 103. I identified this years in advance. Starting bullish rally on pound, biggest rally in 20 years, came to an end when Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is reached. Collapse on pound from 134 will be testing 118. If buyers are weak to the upside, if this level remains intact, 118 lifeline on pound, after 118, subsequent levels to follow. How to trade this, we're discussing in classes. That's it. So if I bring to your attention Dow, that's hanging for dear life at critical key level, and S&P even weaker. What's essential to understand? When you trade one instrument with Alpha Fibonacci system, you trade them all. Identical event that's playing out on Dow on every single chart, as Dow remains stuck in pain and correction. At this identical level, where US Canadian dollar skyrocketed from 145 is the only problem on US Canadian dollar. Absolutely worthless bearish pullback. 141 is a critical key break wall. I see US Canadian dollar, which is USD, far and above and beyond, 43, almost 45% higher than Canadian dollar. US heading higher, 150 to follow. And that's the power of the system, and that's simplicity. So if Dow will start moving and S&P to follow, you know many hours and days in advance what to expect next. But how to trade this, you must obey the rules, which you learn in live classes or hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes in member area. That's it. Bullish rally continues. Key events. Drastically different structure on S&P versus Dow. So when buyers pick up this theme on the scanner, you will see multiple alerts. Massive number of alerts constitutes power. Single alert constitutes weakness. So all the news is out and all the news is bearish. Bullish rally stuck, market not selling off. This is Bitcoin now. Bitcoin staged spectacular rally from 15,000 until 100,001. This is key level to the downside on Bitcoin. Crucial. Will define sell-off on Bitcoin and power of this crash. That's it. So when you trade the system, you make a personal decision on the instrument, on the time frame, on the platform you want to trade. As traders all over the world since 2011, trading it all. From day to position trading. System based on pure price for entry and proprietary alpha Fibonacci retracements for exits. I continue building my systems for the last 20 years. I'm obsessed with pure price and obsessed with Fibonacci. That's it. That's simple and pure. As market remains stuck in worthless correction, let's review what played out with the software. This is pre-market when major news coming out. That's when intelligent trader trades right after major news. This is right after major news as price spelled out. Rules are met, take short. Short reached critical key target and price reversed from bold green zone. Right now we're stuck in pain. Trades played out on multiple charts. I choose to convert to software to 1 minute chart. That's it. That's simplicity and purity of the software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8. If I bring to your attention S&P, this is the event prior to the market open. You understand quite well. As you learn in the course, this is core target. If you ever ignore this as a core target, you cannot be profitable. Price reverses from this level high 80% of the time. You obey this as a target. You trade with the highest probability, as you see and listen on the website. When you're paying attention to longs, you buy at the bottom from bold green zone. Again, major news pre-market, and this is the power of the software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8. I choose to project on 1 minute chart. Scanner giving you multiple alerts, it constitutes power. Scanner giving you single alert, it constitutes weakness. Right now, intelligent trader paying attention to the structure, knowing quite well. This is your trading range. There is nothing else. 20 years of building my own systems, I promise you, the best things in the market are very, very simple. With a single glimpse, you know your trading range. That's it. There is nothing else. Knowing your trading range prior to trading day is crucial. We've been here for the last hour. So as you're witnessing Dow being stuck in pain, you're not surprised, correct? As again, Dow reached levels we're projecting on S&P, remain to be reached. Dow is stuck, been here for the last 16 hours. Correction is on, sellers are worthless. But if I bring to your attention Tesla, this was identical event on Tesla, the entire 2024. This level is out, this level to follow, and higher. Every single trader makes a personal decision to trade Bitcoin, to trade Forex, to trade commodities, to trade stocks, to use options, or to day trade this software, to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. And that's how software appears this morning, after major news. So when you trade after major news, you understand the power of bold grand zone, your trading day is done. You do not need many trades, you do not need to babysit the junk. This is pure junk, this is pure correction, this is pure pain. Nothing else is here. All institutional power played out after major news. And that's an hour before market open. All you need to do is to know the schedule of the major news impacting your instrument. So here's Dow now projected on 1 minute chart, traders. Please pay attention. Software signals played out on multiple charts. As again, Dow moves drastically faster than S&P, giving you drastically more trades. This is crucial key moment on Dow. Again, with simplicity and power of the software, you understand quite well. You cannot buy red zone. Your only option to monitor for short. This is critical key event in front of you to the downside. That's it. And that's simplicity and purity. So that's it, traders. Intelligent trader who trades Dow understand this is critical key level. If you're trading double and single lot size, you're completely out. If you're trading multiple lot sizes, you respect this as a critical key target and start scaling out, moving your stop outside of break even. We're dealing with massive retail chop. We're having absolutely no institutional power. That's it. Again, to emphasize, you absolutely must obey and respect this as a key target, correct? You are clear. This is software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. But this is Euro. Identical level where Euro collapsed from. The traders trade on MT4. And when selling pressure picking up on Dow, intelligent trader understands where it's coming from. Days in advance. Correct? No software here. None is present. None. You knew this since yesterday. When you use your limitless brain, you insert proprietary levels on any platform you trade, and if you choose to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8, this is a phenomenal tool. Again, we keep bouncing from green zone back and forth. Again, this is expected. So when you're focusing on simplicity and you understand where selling pressure came from, you understand this is critical key event as price been stuck in this trading range for the last hour. So RZ means reversal zone, price reached bold green zone, correct? Again, this is software to day trade futures, identical level where NVDA skyrocketed from 11, correct? Price moves one step at a time, pure and simple. And that's the reason traders in US and globally trading proprietary system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. No speculation on gambling, ultimate simplicity and ultimate precision. Remember the importance of this level to the upside. It identifies weakness. Buyers are weak. This is weak, bullish pullback. Again, identical event on Amazon. Amazon broke through this level and skyrocketed. No software on Amazon, none is present. When you will get tired of day trading and you choose to use system long term, this is what you do. 112 is out, Amazon skyrockets until 223. On this chart in front of you on Dow, buyers are weak. And that's the power of proprietary software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8 with multi-market scanners. So please make a personal decision on what's appropriate for you to trade. Is it futures or is it stocks? Is it Forex? Is it crypto? Is it commodities? Is it ETFs? Is it mutual fund? So when you come to the website and you review all on our homepage, you can see clearly. You can always request ebook where I detail the system. You can always watch webinar about Alpha Fibonacci Precision and how it can improve your trading. On our YouTube channel, you can watch thousands of videos, and most importantly, for me personally, when you click on our students' reviews, you see clearly traders all over the world constantly reminding me the reason I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning to do this. Only reason. When our global community keep expanding us in US and globally, when every single trader trades different instrument, different time frame, different trade, means absolutely the world. That's it. So please view our students' performance from all over the world who's sharing what they trade and how on platforms and instruments I never even heard of. Stocks, options, futures, commodities, absolutely. System and strategies based on pure price for entry and proprietary alpha Fibonacci for exits. On our podcast channel, you can listen how fathers bring in their children, how husbands bring in their wives, how friends bring in their friends to the course. So please review all the information on the website and understand this is a lifetime system for all platforms and or day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. And when you choose the options appropriate for you, private mentoring savings up to $8,000 with group course savings up to $5,000. Option 2 and 4 include lifetime system software for NinjaTrader 8. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. So when you enjoy the reversal on Dow that's picking up this theme, again, you knew this far in advance. After all, it's a bold green zone. After all, it's a short that reached reversal zone. Exactly the same as on Euro, as on Bitcoin, as on Pound, as on Amazon, as on NVDA, as on oil. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. And that simplicity and purity of the Alpha Fibonacci trading system for all platforms and software to day trade futures. You do not have to come to live classes. You can view hundreds of videos in our video library. Any questions? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. It's been my joy and honor to be here with you this morning with annual review and ultimate simplicity and precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system and software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. If these traders can do it, so can you. That pure and simple.